There's a short video on our installation of load cells for the Apimaye hive. You can see we have now two identical parts. They're just rotated 90 degrees. And you take the load cell, put it in, put the foot in, put the second one in, and that closes it up. And it goes in where the foot used to be, and you put in a screw, and that's that. That holds everything together and gives it a nice swivel foot, which is an advantage of this style of doing it. Then we take the old feet, screw a member that we have here, and I'm still waiting on the plastic cable holders. But then on the other side, we screw the electronics module here. That makes it easy to get to the batteries and whatnot for changing batteries. And it can go on either side. That's just however you want to run the wires. The wires aren't long enough to go clear around the back, so we had to cut across like this, but using a nice strong piece of aluminum to do that. So that's what we got.